This is Mrs. Claus. Running a worldwide toy operation is plenty. Managing elves, dodging all those video doorbells. So when it comes to cabinets, lighting, or planning a kitchen, honey, I don't have the first clue. I can barely keep the reindeer from reorganizing the pantry. Then I discovered Wardcraft has pre-designed inventory homes that can be moved to our land. They appraise just like a site-built home. Smart kitchen layouts, brilliant storage solutions, and laundry rooms so big Dasher and Prancer thought they'd found a new barn. Oh, and those closets. Shelves for shoes, space for sweaters, and built-in drawers for Santa's, well, drawers. Santa finally has room for all his red suits. That man changes outfits more times than Rudolph blinks his nose. So choose an inventory, or if you like a challenge, like me managing air traffic control over 8 continents on Christmas Eve, Wardcraft has over 60 plans you can customize, and they appraise just like a site-built home.
Wardcraft Homes. Homes so good, Santa's thinking of relocating. 1-888-WARDCRAFT or wardcraft.com.